Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. And this week I'm going to draw the winner for this foot massager. There were a total of 160 entries and I entered every single person who expressed they wanted this in the spreadsheet. I was going to filter I want this using a program, but I couldn't, so I did it manually again. Some people spelled differently and expressed differently anyways. I cut up more papers and they're all in here. And the winner is, drumroll please, 118. I forgot to show this to you last time. So 118. And the winner is Kirsty McFarlane. So congratulations, Kirsty. Please contact me via email and I will ship this to you right away. By the way, when I went to Daiso to get this last week, I couldn't find it. They were out of it and I was panicky. Then I went to 2 more Daisos in my area and when I found these, I was so happy I bought them all for the future giveaways. I'll do the next giveaway when this channel hits 125,000 subscribers. Hopefully soon, but it could take months and months. In the meantime, here's an idea for an alternative. Go to the beach with lots of smooth pebbles. These act as great acupressure tool. You just step on them with your weight. Big ones for your arch, small ones around your toes. It's a great opportunity for earthing or grounding by touching the earth with your bare feet and touching the healing ocean water as long as it's not polluted. Again, congratulations, Kirsty. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.